We got a little bit more into Google Silicon situation. Well, we have a headline here suggesting that this will could turn the Pixel into the iPhone's biggest competitor. Agree or disagree, Will? We're talking about the custom silicon partnership, Google report, Google working with Samsung to move away from Qualcomm, have more control, tighter integration, ownership over the whole SoC.
Yeah. They would have to make some sort of amazing feature for iPhone users to convert, I would say.
Well, this just says the iPhone's biggest competitor. So I suppose all they would have to displace here is Samsung, because I would presume we would say Samsung is currently the iPhone's biggest competitor.
Oh, okay.
So would this push Pixel past Samsung is the question.
Isn't it weird that Samsung's like helping Google make the chip?
Yeah, well, Samsung's helping selling screens to like Samsung is Samsung.
Yeah.
That's how big.
Okay.
They're making so many things. They're like, yeah, we sell smartphones, but we also do this and that and this, and you want to buy that from us, and they got it all, man.
Sure. To beat Samsung, I still feel like they need some sort of incredible feature. I don't know what it is.
The camera can't just be nice.
No, not anymore.
The price, hey man, the price can't be nice. No.
No.
Well, they do come out. Well, that's one of the things, right? With the custom silicon, they believe that. Okay, they don't believe. There's evidence to suggest that when you go to roll out the new software feature, you can do it more quickly on older hardware when you control this stuff.
Yeah.
So they could be more innovative and nimble. They could be like, okay, here's a new feature, and it's not just for the latest one, but instead it's going back. It's going back to the old models as well. Like you heard of these features? Like what is it? What's the feature when they're waiting on the thing? You love that stuff.
It's like the personal voice assistant.
Yeah, you love that stuff
during a call.
You love that stuff.
Yeah. Is it life changing though?
Well, when's the last time Samsung changed your life?
Yeah, that's true. I mean, I guess in order for Google to like push Samsung out to the second spot, they would have to do something incredible. That's all I'm saying.
No, I hear you, man.
Yeah.
It never hurts to do something incredible, no matter what type of work you're doing. It never hurts.
We all strive for that.
Yeah.
Every day.
I think it's a tough pitch. It's a heck of a headline. Got me clicking. Thank you, Michael Simon. Is the Pixel the iPhone's biggest competitor? I'm going to say the opposite. I'm going to say yes.
Yeah.
I'm going to say only because of the brand recognition and potential around the word Google. It's a thing where I feel like they've always underperformed. You have this search engine, this brand that everybody on planet Earth uses and is aware of. And here you have this hardware opportunity to leverage some of that awareness. And they kind of haven't really done it all that well.
Mm-hmm. They've been dominating in software.
Exactly.
Software.
Exactly. Yeah, never mind search, like everything, YouTube, mail, everything. Like you think of the tightness of all that. Maybe once they can finally get a grip on this hardware thing, that could be the key piece because they have been so dominant with software.
Yeah.
So maybe not immediately, but down the road, depending how long we do this for, down the road, I think Google could easily become the iPhone or Apple's biggest smartphone competitor.
Okay.
It could happen, especially if they keep on tightening this relationship with Samsung, who knows hardware. Just putting that out there. Just saying that.